Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Summer, so why don't you go ahead and subscribe down below. And today I'm just going to be just a casual, ready with me I guess. I'm bored and I want to do some in the Soft Glam palette, and my Aunt Pat gave this to me, I don't know how long ago, and just say it's got some good juice out of it. I used to use the shade Cyrus Umber, the shade right here that is completely gone. And now I shade Rustic. And I'm super hot because instead of drinking water before I went outside and laid outside and tanned, what did I do? I drank 2 cups of coffee and 1 bottle of water. So super hot. And sorry, I got them at Target last year. I literally thought they were so cute. I just found them today. I thought about them like a couple weeks ago. I was like, I know I did not get rid of these because I never wore them. And they are just so cute. The Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. It looks like this right here. And we're going to go in with the Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead. It's right here. Got Country Road stuck in my head. And that's not anything bad. But I know if I play it, I'll literally get copyrighted, and I don't want none of that, so. And then I'm just going to take my little e.l.f. sponge and just take this palette, the Ashley Edwards palette, and for those of you who do not know, this is what it looks like. Trying to decide. Use the shade called Headliner and just set my eyeshadow. I'm going to use this shade right here called HOE. And I'm going to put this in my crease. Y'all, what all have y'all been doing since we've not really been able to go outside or anything? I've honestly been on my phone way too much. I've been on TikTok. I love YouTube, but I feel like I've watched every single video on YouTube, which I know I haven't, but I'm very picky with YouTubers. So, I've been laying outside and tanning. If y'all are wondering what this is, y'all, my brother used to tell me when I was little that this was a pile of dirt, and literally, when I was little, of course I'm going to believe my big brother, and he would literally tell me this was dirt. I would literally go in the bathroom for hours and try to scrape this off. It's a birthmark. But I can't believe he did that to me. How rude. Then I'm going to go in with the shade called Texas Made. And honestly, but in it. Let me go in with this brush. This really pretty bright yellow shade. There's probably going to be a lot of fallout on this, but because I've hacked so much. I edit my YouTube videos on iMovie. Well, actually, the last video I did was the first one that I've actually ever edited. And not gonna lie, it took 3 hours to edit that whole thing. I watched it back like 5 different times. And I was like, oh my goodness, how could I miss this? How could I miss this? How could I miss this? Absolutely love this palette because I look at this palette and there's literally so much you could do with this. You could do a blue look, a purple look. You just get this at TJ Maxx for 20 bucks though. And you can love Anastasia's eyeshadow palettes. And my boyfriend's like, Summer, stop buying makeup. And I'm like, no, I don't want to. And I'm going to go back in under the lash line, beyond under there, and it's going to be super pretty. It Cosmetics CC Cream, It Cosmetics brush. Ooh. Like, get close and make sure this is blended all the way. This concealer, and put this on. This baby e.l.f. one, and just this because I feel like I look super cakey. This is the Powder Room 147 Matte About It. I got this in a BoxyCharm box a while ago, and I actually really like it. This brush. Laguna bronzer and just bronze up the skin. TJ Maxx. I think this was like $11 because I used to hear beauty gurus talk about it all the time, and I was like, oh my goodness, I want to try it. And then I was like, looked it up, and for how much it was, I was like, oh no, 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 no. I just felt like it was, I'm not going to say overpriced because I didn't know how much makeup should be at the time, but I thought it was expensive. That's what I'm going to say. I thought it was expensive, and I was like, NARS, I think the NARS Luminous Glowy Foundation, I don't know if that's the right name, foundation, I think was $49. Now that was definitely worth the price. It was so beautiful, such a full coverage glowy foundation. I'm just going to go in with this shade right here called Angle and try to contour. I'm so sorry, oh my goodness, in every video I am constantly like that. I have a runny nose because I keep going outside. It's allergy season in the south. Okay, that did not turn out good. Anyway, I'm going to go in a brush and just blend everything together. To fix that, we're going to go back and the powder, and this is how much that came out. And I'm going to do, see, that side did perfect. Sit and bake for a minute while I add Collection by Casey Holmes blush right here. I actually love the smell of the Butter Collection by Physicians Formula. What highlight I want to use. Like today, I'm going to use this. This is absolutely a beautiful palette. Like, this is so easy to travel with. And I'm going to take this shade right here. As y'all can see, I just wiped that powder off. And put this under the lash line. Y'all know I love to do the lash line. To debate if I should do winged eyeliner, but I just don't think I'm going to. This is a really small brush. Go in with the shade Headliner and put that in the inner corner. A BoxyCharm box also. This is the Big Ego by Tarte, and look, it's like these two were meant to go together, kinda. A little bit different pink, but so I'm just gonna use this. Oh my goodness, I love this mascara. It's so pretty. Oh, it's just love makeup. Like, is that something y'all are ever passionate about? The thing is, I like doing my own makeup, but I do not like doing other people's makeup. A lot of people are like, why don't you want to go to school for makeup and do people's makeup? I just don't want to. Nope, we gotta put on some lipstick. Probably should have done this step before, but obviously I didn't. This is a Violet Voss in the shade Charming 133. Lip color, but we're about to, my eye color. We're about to see. Do you like this color? On camera it looks a little bit more nude than what it is, but it's a little It's a little bit darker. And then we're going to go in with the Luna by Luna lip gloss in the shade Mars. This also came in a BoxyCharm. And I don't know if I told you guys, but I am getting the BoxyCharm this month, just the average face box, and then I'm getting the Boxy Premium. And I literally cannot wait to see what's inside. I love BoxyCharm every month. BoxyCharm never disappoints. I'm going to do both of those videos and a Ipsy bag unboxing. So stay tuned for those. I'm actually going to put this all over the lip. I like that a whole lot better. See, I don't think it added, okay, I see the sparkles now. But I don't know, I just really love that lip gloss. Y'all, so this is the finished makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what are you guys doing since, you know, we can't go out or anything. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.